Gangster Vikas Dubey, who was wanted for killing 8 policemen, has been arrested from Madhya Pradesh's Ujjain. Sources in the UP police have confirmed after nearly a week-long game of hide and seek. Dubey, who was on the run since last Thursday when he and his men ambushed a police party and killed 8 cops, was arrested from near the Mahakal temple. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan called Yogi Adityanath, ensuring safe handover of the criminal. Dubey's closest aide, Amar Dubey, was killed in an encounter with cops on Wednesday. The same day, a CCTV footage from a hotel in Faridabad showed a masked man suspected to be Dubey. However, he fled the premises before the police could nab him. On Thursday, 2 more of his associates were killed in encounters with the police in UP. While one of the criminals was identified as Ranbir and shot dead in Etawah, the other was Dubey's associate Prabhat Mishra, who was taken in custody by the cops from Faridabad on Wednesday. According to the police, Ranbir had a bounty of Rs 50,000 on his head and was named in the FIR lodged against Vikas Dubey and others for the killing of 8 policemen. He was shot by the police in an encounter when he was reportedly trying to flee. An exchange of fire took place between the criminals and the police party in Etawah. India reported spike of 24,879 new COVID-19 cases and 487 deaths in the last 24 hours. Positive cases now stand at 7,67,296, including 2,69,000 active cases. More than 4,76,000 people have been cured, discharged or migrated. 21,129 people have died due to coronavirus in India. The coronavirus death toll in Mumbai has now crossed the 5,000 mark with 62 new fatalities. The civic body has revised the testing guidelines, allowing patients with symptoms to undergo COVID-19 test without a doctor's prescription. The BMC claimed that until now it has conducted over 3.64 lakh tests. However, former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis hit out at the BMC, saying it was not testing enough. None of the 956 foreign nationals who attended the Tablighi Jamaat's congregation in Delhi for the Markaz event will be tried for serious charges of culpable homicide, not amounting to murder, or the attempt to commit the crime. The Delhi police have decided not to charge any of them under stricter offences. These nationals belonging to 36 countries can only be tried for violating COVID-19 rules and visa norms under relevant provisions of the law. The police have made a categorical statement before a Delhi court that there is no evidence to link any of the 956 foreign nationals with graver charges under the Indian Penal Code. The Indian Army has reportedly asked its personnel to delete 89 apps from their smartphones, including Facebook, TikTok, Truecaller and Instagram, to plug leakage of information, news agency ANI reported. The centre last month banned 59 mobile apps, including TikTok, with mostly Chinese links. The decision came in the wake of the killing of 20 Indian soldiers in violent clashes with the Chinese army in Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh. The government banned the apps, terming them prejudicial to the sovereignty, integrity and defence of India. 2 Uttar Pradesh police personnel were arrested on Wednesday in connection with last week's Kanpur ambush, in which 8 policemen were killed. Those arrested were identified as former station house officer of Chaubepur Vinay Tiwari and beat in charge KK Sharma. The two were being questioned for the past 2 days for their alleged links to gangster Vikas Dubey. Tiwari and Sharma were suspended on Sunday and now they have been arrested.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.